The BERNINA L 850 has a built-in 2-thread converter. So if you've ever done a 3-thread rolled hem, you can now do it with just 2 threads. So usually that would be the right needle and the lower looper. So right now where the pink thread is. So you actually just have to make the machine think that there's thread in the upper looper. So if you've ever wondered what this little kind of hinge item is, what it is the 2-thread converter kept in position. And as you flip it over, the only thing you have to do is just give it a little push to the back so it sits in this little groove. So once you remove the blue upper looper thread and this thread forms, it forms the complete overlock edge from the back, the lower looper, comes all the way up to the top where the upper looper was. And if you're looking for a great delicate seam, like especially on the edge of like a chiffon, 3-thread rolled hem is a little bulky. So switch to a 2-thread. It's super easy because you're not trying to find that piece in your accessory box like we used to on the Berninas. Now we can just flip it in, take out a thread. You've probably already got the lower looper threaded already. When you're done, you're just going to take it, re-flip it back to the right, and then of course swish that upper looper thread back into position and you're ready to stitch. You can do a 2-thread overlock with a right needle, or for a wider version, the left needle. So just put that option in and look at what you can do. Don't forget, you can use decorative threads at any time in that lower looper. Check out our videos on how to bypass the threading pipe area so you can see how to use some thicker, chunkier threads. Have fun experimenting with a 2-thread overlock stitch.